Hey yo, what's up guys? How are you guys doing today? So, yesterday my vlog was about TikTok versus YouTube, but today it's about Google Pixel Buds 2. You can see my left and my right are both with the Pixel Buds. So, my review is simple. Amazing. Okay, amazing. I didn't use the first one, but this one is critically amazing because it has everything. People say it does not have a noise popular. I said you're so funny. Yeah, I'm so funny. Noise cancellation. From noise cancellation, I said noise population. I'm too funny. What to do? Okay, so back to work. So with this one, it has a nice noise cancellation. Like it's really good. I can see my noise cancellation only like I have shown you if you have followed me on Instagram. So I've told you like it's like around like since it's my camera. Okay, so it's around me only. Like how much for this camera? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 meter, like 1 meter, like 1 centimeter or 100 centimeter, you can say like that. I don't know. I'm too good. so this review will be awesome because I didn't check the translation part yet, but I will check the translation part. Okay, and the music is good, sound is good, and long range distance is good. I put my phone here, like as you can see here. My phone is right there charging. Okay, so as you can see my phone was charging and I went to another room to check if the connection is good. The connection is pretty good. You can just roam around from one to other place. You don't have to bring your like what do you say, the pod. Basically you can see this is just like an egg. Okay, when you open it, it's just like an AirPod, but it's like a Google Pods, Google Buds, you can say. It's really cool, right? From here, left and right. Okay, so I got this with it. I got these two. I got some extra, you know, like ear side. If your ear is big, so you can get the thing, the noise cancellation thing, the foam thing. You can get in large, medium, small. So this is already medium that I'm using it. Why? Because I have medium hair. If you have big hair or small hair, it will be also having good. But it is really good to understand like how it's happening, and like when I'm speaking to you, so I can see like because of these two, it's like really hard to me speak like louder, because when I'm speaking like hello, 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 so it is happening only in my ear, not because of listening. Only I can listen to in my ear, which is good for it. And the music is good. The buff system is good. I didn't see the bass system, the buffer. No, the bass effect, whatever it is. Bass effect, whatever it is. Okay, so I bought the box, but I don't know where the box went. Let me check where the box went. Okay, I'm checking where is the box went. I bought the box, but I forgot to put it. Yeah, here it is. Ta-da! This was the box that came in, and it shows the girl wearing it. So simple. Okay, so this wasn't the box. It was having in the big box. So first it was a big box, medium box, and then this box came. So I'm like, okay, 1, 2, and 3. I'm like, okay. And then he said you have to pull it. I pulled it, the speaker went flying, and then landed on the floor. So I'm like, what the hell? This was small, and then I saw a video. They said that the box is too much small. I'm like, good, it's good, it's really good. And I got this with it. There you go. Here it is. Yeah, here. Yeah. It's like a USB. It's better than the phone charger. You can charge it, you know, like a USB C, no USB C or something like that. And then this is this one. Then you can put in that one. Okay. So when I first bought it, so I touched it. You know, like when you touch it. So like when you're touching it, it seems so soft and it's so it's not sounded. Come on, Faisal. It's like an egg. Sounded like an egg. It is an egg. Look. If you see from far, you can see like egg. Okay, like a dragon egg. I'm like, okay, I'm opening the dragon egg leg. That's really so funny. Okay, this is what it is. Okay, and yeah, this was it review, and the calling review. Like when I called you, when I called someone, like I wanted to call someone. Like I tested it with my sister, like from India. I called her on WhatsApp. So I was like testing, okay, how is my speaking going? So she could hear me properly. I mean, really properly speaking. Okay, and we can do this also. Okay, like for the further review, let's do something with this. One tap, it's like a play button. Okay, two tap, it's like you'll stop it. Three tap, 1, 2, 3. You're getting a reverse, like a previous track to play. Down, up is volume up, and down is volume down. And if you press it, it's assistant. It's saying it's 10:40. It says it's 10:41 p.m. and Instagram. It's showing. It's. I can hear my Instagram. I can hear my Instagram and Facebook on all the notifications from my phone. So my phone is right there. Okay, my phone is right there. I can hear everything. I didn't check the translation part because I didn't get a translation done by me. Okay, so and like I have been roaming around with it. It's good, but you know, like it's a little bit slippery also. That's a negative part for me. It's a little bit slippery when I'm putting it in my ears, and when I'm like lightly touching it, it can come into my hands. This is really slippery, but everything is good with it. And yeah, that was it. This was a surprise that I wanted to go. I didn't want to do you know, like all the box open. I was too excited, so I opened my box already. Okay, so with that said, I'm ending the vlog right now. What do you say? Hara hara, do whatever you want to do, but don't trouble your mother. Remember, don't trouble your mother. Meet you, I don't know when, but in the Eid, by the way, for the vlog. Okay, and yeah, before you go, I'd like to show you something. He knows my name. Okay, so I will say, what's my name? He said, your name is Faisal. Look, he understands who I am. Bye bye.